Okay, for today's science activity, you're going to need some time. I picked one that's going to take us a little longer because this is the last one I'm going to do for a little over a week, and it'll give you time to try it out and let it sit for a week and see what happens. Have you ever visited like the Lost World Caverns in Lewisburg or Smoke Hole Caverns or some kind of underground cave like that and seen the rock formations that hang from the ceiling and then the ones that grow up from the ground? The ones from the ceiling are called stalactites, and the ones that come up from the ground are called stalagmites. And given long enough, eventually they will meet in the middle and form a column. We're going to make our own stalactites over the next week. You're going to need 2 glasses, and in this glass I have mixed salt. The water is really hot, and I've mixed as much as until it wouldn't dissolve anymore. You can see I still have a little bit down in there in the bottom of the glass. So stir it in there until you can dissolve as much of it as you can. You'll need some yarn or string of some kind. About 16 inches. I'm probably going to make it about 32 and double it in half. A plate to put between the 2 cups. And maybe a pan to set it on so that it catches any drips that might not make it on the plate. Okay, I'm going to set up my experiment, and then I'll turn the camera back on and show you what the setup needs to look like. And then you can set it up, and in a week we will take a look and see what it says. Give me 1 second. Okay, so here's the setup for our experiment. As you can see, I added some food coloring to our water just to see if I could make it a little bit more interesting. I weighed the string down a little bit with clothespins so that it would not be floating on top of the water and get good and wet. It'll work a little bit like our walking rainbow water experiment in that the water will soak up the string, but we've added the salt this time, so that's what's going to make the difference. Over time, as the water evaporates, it should leave the salt behind, and we should be able to grow some stalactites. Those are the ones that grow from the roof of a cave down to the floor. So set this up, set it aside somewhere where it will get maybe a little bit of sunshine. That'll help the water evaporate faster. And in a week, we will see what it looks like. You guys have a great spring break, and I will talk to you in a week. Bye!